Today, I'll show you exactly how to convert a PDF to an Excel file using Adobe Acrobat in 2024. If you've ever struggled to get tabular data out of a PDF and into a spreadsheet for easy editing, reporting, or analysis, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to seamlessly export your data, keep your formatting, and make life a whole lot easier. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're using a paid version of Adobe Acrobat, not just Acrobat Reader. The export feature we need isn't available in the free software, so if you're running Reader, don't fret. You can upgrade or use an enterprise version. Once you're looking at the right program, open up the PDF file you want to convert. That's as simple as starting Adobe Acrobat and either dragging your PDF into the window or using the File menu to open it just like you would with any other document. It's always a good idea to scan your PDF for any sensitive info or messy formatting before you export, because you'll want a clean slate as much as possible. Now, look to the very top of the window for a tab called Tools. Clicking on Tools will open a panel filled with lots of powerful features, but the one we want today is Export PDF. You'll find this on the right-hand side. Go ahead and click it, and you'll see a whole export dialog appear. Imagine this as the crossroads where your PDF can branch off into lots of different formats. Here, you're presented with several choices. Under Convert to, click directly on Spreadsheet. This tells Acrobat you want to extract tabular data, which is essential for Excel. You'll see an option for Microsoft Excel Workbook, which will create the modern .lsx file. Select that option for the best compatibility. Choosing the right format is important because it preserves crucial details like column structure and cell formatting. So your exported file is easy to use right away. If your PDF contains scanned pages instead of digital text, Adobe Acrobat is smart enough to run optical character recognition, or OCR, automatically. This clever technology will analyze the images for text and turn it into something you can actually edit in Excel. Sometimes this process takes a little while, especially for large or complicated documents. So don't worry if your computer seems to pause. It's working hard to make sense of every character. Here's a handy tip. If you only need certain tables or just a part of the PDF rather than the whole thing, you don't have to convert the entire document. Use the selection tool to highlight the area you want, right-click, and you'll be able to export just your selection as a new Excel workbook. This can save tons of time, especially if your PDF combines reports or data you don't need all at once. Ready to finalize your export? Click the Export button. Acrobat will process your request, and soon you'll see a Save As dialog box. Choose where you want to save your new Excel file, maybe your desktop or a specific folder. Give it a meaningful name so you can find it later, then hit Save. That's it. Your converted Excel file is now ready for editing, sharing, or detailed analysis. Don't forget to open the file in Excel to verify the data transferred the way you expected. Sometimes you'll get minor formatting tweaks, like merged cells or shifted columns, but generally, Acrobat does an excellent job of keeping everything intact. And that's how you turn a PDF into an Excel spreadsheet, all with Adobe Acrobat in 2024. I hope this walkthrough saves you time and hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see more tips about working with PDFs and spreadsheets, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.